being here today. My name is Annabelle Imbertuck. I am here on behalf of the Task Force on Judicial Election Campaign Reform that studied these matters about a year ago and issued a report and recommendations for exactly this kind of situation that we face today here in this judicial campaign in Arkansas. And the reason I thought it very important to bring to the fore what we have recommended that was approved overwhelmingly by the Board of Governors of the Arkansas Bar Association and the Arkansas Judicial Council, which is the council of all judges in Arkansas. We were appointed to address reform in judicial elections. I want to tell you what we recommended, and I'm hopeful that my colleagues in the bar and the bench will be willing to go forward with these recommendations and help make judicial elections fair and with knowledge of who is funding what campaigns. We recommended the creation of a 501c3 corporation, not four, that would be incorporated and would have a board of directors, and the mission of that corporation would be to foster education for the voting public in judicial races. It would have a website dedicated to displaying information about judicial candidates, biographical information, photographs, personal statements, endorsements, and it would not be financed by public funds. A team called the Judicial Fair Advertising Compliance Team, JFACT, would monitor media communications and respond as soon as possible to false communications. The team could ask removal of the offending communication or issue a press release. This is not contrary to the First Amendment of the United States. It is, in fact, going forward with free speech on behalf of educating the public as to what is fact and what is fiction. I want to tell you that we also recommended a pledge to be signed voluntarily by judicial candidates that they would abide by the letter and spirit of the Code of Judicial Conduct and disavow false communications in that candidate's favor authorized by third-party groups or super PACs. As I mentioned earlier, no public funds would be used to support this effort. This is your judicial system. This is my judicial system. This is our children and our grandchildren's judicial system. So I urge the bar, the bench, and everyone, not just lawyers and judges, to get behind this type of 501c3 that will help respond to the situation we face today. Thank you very much. Justice Brown, who chaired this task force, and all of my colleagues on the task force, I want to tell you that they are very hopeful all of us will go forward with this work. Thank you.